Hey guys, it's Andrew again, and so this one I'm going to show you how you get your money basically, and how you send orders to basically your buyers. So on this one, you'll click into orders. Over here, if you have an event bot or product bot, you'll want to select which one. So say a product. Also, I come into here and then I can download my orders right into a CSV file, right? I can search by hashtag, I can search by order number, start date, end date of the order. But I also have all the details here. But then if I want to, we know the payment's been done. But if I want to send the order, all I have to do is click this, and this will import into WooCommerce and Shopify. If you're just using the jumper one, then you'll have all this information, and at that point in time you can ship it by clicking the ship now button, right? And what you would do is enter in the tracking number for that. You would put your tracking number, and then it would ship it now from that. So you get the tracking number from there, and then it would show that it's being shipped, and the customer is going to get a number as well as what's going on. But that's basically how you fulfill the orders, because the orders and if it's with Shopify and WooCommerce, it automatically gets pushed right into the cart. So there's nothing really you have to do here. It's super easy. So that's it with the orders. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're always standing by. Our jumper support is top notch. So test them. Anyway, if you have any other questions, let me know.